Well, this is Luis, and we are riding our bikes to classes at the American University. And how'd you find the weather today?
Well, it's beautiful, but I wish it was 20 degrees hotter, really.
Hey, yeah.
Look, I'm covered in blankets.
Yeah. Go ahead of me so I don't scratch your tires. Pedal up. طبيعي جدا تركب بايك تدريسي تروح للclasses as me and my fellow teacher here following the students and also getting a little bit blood pumped into your veins before the class. In addition to some motivation, you know there. Thank you very much for suggesting the bike. Is it hard to pedal on this one? Really? But you didn't end up, you know, hitting the wall like in one of the.
It sort of happened in slow motion.
Yeah.
So if anyone saw it, it would have just. I was riding and then the wind like the bike over with me on it, and then slowly went towards the ground.
But nobody talked about it.
No. So you know how there's cameras everywhere, which means.
Got careful with the car that is coming. Yeah, as careful as they are.